Hey guys, today we're doing a little alarm installation. I got it all pretty much done, but I want to show you some of the wires, where their locations are and stuff like that. This is a 20, it says 2013, made in October, so I looked up the 2014 models and none of the wiring actually added up. So I used the wiring from a 2013 and all the wires were there. It took me a while to figure that one out, but I'm going to show you where all the wires are at. This is a Chevy Silverado. So I already took this thing apart. As you can see, panel that comes off here, there's actually 2 Phillips screws and then a 10mm bolt, and then it just pulls out, and then the little fuse box cover that just pulls out. The reason I'm going to get the power right here, what I did is I routed my LED up into the dash. I didn't want to make any holes, just tucked it right up in there by the window. And the valet, I just ran it here and wrapped it, zip tied it there. Didn't want to make any holes either as well. You got to get to the BCM, which is, it's back here. And in order to get to that, there's a little vent that gets in the way. There's a little clip here that's kind of a pain. You just pull that clip out, pull the vent out, get it out of the way, so you have access under here. I grounded it right here, just drill a little hole and ground it there. You could either pull the BCM out, which is basically, you can see here, you can unclip it and then pull it down and pull it down here, which is what I did. It doesn't come out completely out, okay? And you do have to pull off some of these clips that hold the wiring in there. There's one there, and then there's one way back here along the side wall, so that you can get the wiring down here where you can work on it. Okay, so see this green plug here, okay? You get the ignition right there. That's a pink wire. Closest to you right here. Plug. In the white plug, there's a light blue wire right here. That's for the parking lights, and it's negative. It's on the second row, closest to you. And then this, in the brown plug, and wire that's closest to you. That's for the horn honk. Okay. So if you're going to hook up the horn, if you're not going to hook up the horn, then you're going to hook up your siren. You don't need to know that one there. Pink plug right here. This will be your door trigger. And then in the gray plug next to it, there's your door locks. It's pink with the black stripe, and then orange with the black stripe. And that's pretty much all those wires that you'll need. You can't do a starter kit on here. If you do, you got to go, I think, to the fuel pump, because this doesn't have an actual starter thing up here. So it has a mobilizer on it, so you don't want to mess with that. And then last but not least, you'll get your power wire right here. There's 12 volts there, right by the fuse box. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.